In the beginning, there was nothing. Not a single speck of dust, not a single photon of light. Picture absolute nothingness. Then, in less than a fraction of a second, everything changed. The universe, in all its grandeur and complexity, was born from a singularity, an event we now call the Big Bang. From this point, the universe rapidly expanded. Imagine a balloon inflating, but on an incomprehensibly larger scale. This expansion continued for billions of years, creating space as it grew. In this vast expanse, particles began to form, the building blocks of everything we know today. As the universe cooled, these particles began to bond, forming atoms. Think of hydrogen and helium, the simplest and most abundant elements in the universe. These atoms, drawn together by the force of gravity, formed massive clouds of gas. Over millions of years, these gas clouds collapsed under their own weight. The pressure at their centers grew so intense that nuclear fusion sparked, creating the first stars. These celestial bodies lit up the universe, transforming it from a dark expanse into a cosmos filled with light. The death of these early stars was as spectacular as their birth. They exploded in brilliant supernovae, scattering heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron into the universe. These elements, the building blocks of planets and life as we know it, began to form new stars and planetary systems. One of these systems was our own solar system. Born around 4.5 billion years ago, it was just a swirling disk of gas and dust. In the center of this disk, our sun ignited, its gravity drawing in most of the available material. On the outskirts, particles began to clump together, forming the planets. Among them was a special one, our Earth. It was a violent and inhospitable place at first, bombarded by asteroids and comets. But over time, it cooled and solidified, forming a crust over the molten interior. Water, perhaps delivered by icy comets, began to accumulate on the surface, forming the first oceans. As the Earth cooled further, the water vapor in the atmosphere condensed, separating into the sky above and the oceans below. Dry land rose from the oceans, creating continents. On this land, life began to take hold. Simple organisms evolved, drawing energy from the sun and nutrients from the water and soil. Over billions of years, these organisms evolved into plants, trees, and animals, creating the diverse biosphere we see today. Through the harsh light of day and the serene glow of the night, our Earth has evolved and thrived. From a tiny speck in a vast universe, it has become a vibrant planet teeming with life. This is the incredible story of our universe, from its mysterious origins to the birth of our home, the Earth.